Where's the seat? Can you believe? Yeah. So you're gonna stop me from testing the boundary here now. Don't test the boundary here. Luke, have I pushed the boundary yet today? Is that a small, big improvement? That's canon indeed. Luke, where are we passing now? Are we passing over Dooley's now? Oh, reset! Luke, how long have I been recording this for?
How long do you want to record?
I'll try and make it 4 minutes.
I'll tell you when it's 4 minutes.
4 minutes is 2 stops later. Luke, is this a quicker...
I'm getting off at Lidcombe. I'm not Lidcombe.
Luke, what... How long is this, Luke? How long is this timing?
1:30.
Where are we at now? Are we past the station yet or not yet?
Left.
Are we at the station? Auburn. All right, time to stop it here.